In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a page on Notion. Linking to a page in Notion is a simple way to create quick navigation inside your workspace, so related pages are only a click away. This doesn't duplicate content or create a copy. It simply points to an existing page, helping you connect notes, docs, or project hubs without clutter. Start by placing your cursor where you want the link to appear. Now type a /. This opens Notion's command menu, which lets you quickly insert different kinds of blocks. As soon as the menu appears, begin typing the word link. You'll see options narrow down in real time. This is helpful if your workspace is large or if you prefer keeping your hands on the keyboard. If you don't immediately see what you need, keep typing until link to page appears in the list. Next, click on link to page. This tells Notion that you want to insert a block that points to an existing page in your workspace. You'll notice a small selector or search field appears. This is where you choose the destination page. The command is flexible. It works anywhere you can add a block, including databases, regular pages, and within toggles or columns. Then select the page you want to link to. You can scroll through recent or suggested pages or start typing the page name to search. Notion's search is forgiving, so even partial titles usually surface what you need quickly. If the page doesn't appear, double check that it's in the same workspace and that you have permission to view it. Once you click the page, Notion inserts a link block with the page's title and icon. Clicking that block will take you directly to the destination. A few tips to keep everything tidy. Position the link exactly where it adds the most context, above a section as a quick reference, or at the end of a note as a see also. You can drag the link block to reorder it or place it inside columns to save space. If you want to open the target in a new tab, use your usual open in new tab action from your device or browser. And if the page title changes later, your link updates automatically so you don't have to maintain it. That's all there is to it. Type the /, choose link to page, and select your destination. It's a lightweight habit that makes your Notion workspace feel interconnected and effortless to navigate.